Hi guys, good evening. So guys, please let me know if my voice is audible. I guess the internet connection is very slow over here. Good evening people, and happy Forex Trading. Hope you guys went to temple and just enjoy sweets and some happy time with your family. So yeah, I will be starting within some time. So we will just wait for 1 or 2 minutes for others to join. Hi Bharat. So Muhammad was saying you can directly connect with your point of contact and they'll inform you regarding the question. Maybe it's starting on 29, Muhammad. Hi Stephen. Yeah, it works, Bharat. ICT also works. I also trade on crude oil actually with the same concepts. I guess the internet is very uh, weak over here. Sound issue. Yes, please let me know if my voice is audible because I'm outside actually. I'm not in the office today. I was on leave, so I'm outside because I'm not feeling well. Like here in Bangalore, the weather is too bad actually. Like bad in the sense it's very cold over here, and many of the people are suffering from viral fever. That is the reason actually. When I was on leave, I am not well. Hi Justin. So guys, please let me know if my voice is audible so that I'll be starting with the session. I guess there is some issue with the internet. Maybe. So yeah, I'll be starting guys. So audible, but try to increase the volume. Okay. Actually, I've connected my earphones, but still I'll try to speak little loudly. Okay. So yeah, guys, I'll start with the session. So people who have joined my session for the first time, or like, and the people who attended my session last. last week, I guess. Yeah. So I had already told you guys to just watch my previous classes. Like I had taught my strategy on July 13th and August, I guess. Two strategies I've already taught, and with the same strategy, I'll be analyzing the market. Uh, so yeah, more echo is there. So I'll just disconnect my earphone.
Okay, guys. Now let me know like if my voice is audible because I disconnected my earphones. Hello, Dattatray. So, am I audible now? No, voice is low, not audible. Oh, sorry guys. This might be because of the internet issue. I don't know why. Because I'm not at home and office as well. Like I'm actually outside. So yeah, it's better to speak with the earphone itself. I'll try to connect my earphone back. Sorry guys. Sorry for the interruption. I'm trying my best actually. So
So
is
is
my
my
voice
voice
audible
audible
now?
now?
Was
Was
it
it
better
better
without
without
earphone
earphone
or
or
with
with
earphone?
earphone?
Please
Please
let me
let
know,
me know,
guys.
guys.
And
And
really,
really,
I'm
I'm
really
really
sorry
sorry
for
for
the
the
interruption
interruption
actually
actually
because
because
with
with
earphone.
earphone.
Okay,
Okay,
Gokul is
Gokul is
telling
telling
without
without
and
and
Justin
Justin
is
is
telling
telling
with
with
the earphone.
earphone.
Better
Better
with
with
the earphone.
earphone.
Okay,
Okay,
I'll
I'll
just
just
start
start
the
the
session
session
with
with
the earphone
earphone
itself.
itself.
So
So
please
please
bear
bear
me
me
with
with
like only
only
today.
today.
Like
Like
from
from
tomorrow,
tomorrow,
I'll
I'll
be
be
taking
taking
the
the
session
session
from
from
the
the
office
office
itself,
itself.
where
Where
the
the
internet
internet
connection
connection
is
is
little
little
weak.
weak.
So
So
here
here
you
you
can
can
know
know
the
the
stream
stream
current,
current,
but
but you
you
got
that.
that.
Okay. It's
It's
because
because
of
of
the
the
internet.
internet,
It's
guys.
better
Better
with
with
the earphone.
earphone.
Okay.
Okay, yeah,
I'll
I'll
be
be
starting
starting
with
with
the
the
session.
session.
So,
So,
people,
people,
as
as
you
you
know,
know,
first
first
I'll
I'll
be
be
looking
looking
into
into
the
the
news
news
actually.
actually.
This
This
is
is
what
what
I'll
I'll
be
be
doing.
doing.
First
First
I'll
I'll
be
be
looking
looking
into
into
Forex
Forex
Factory.
Factory.
First
First
I'll
I'll
visit
visit
Forex
Forex
Factory
Factory
for
for
the
the
news.
news.
So
So
I'll
I'll
check
check
for
for
the
the
news.
news.
So
So
as
as
of
of
now,
now,
this
this
red
red
thing
thing
which
which
you
you
can
can
see
see
here
here
is
is
the
the
high
high
impact
impact
news.
news.
So
So
there
there
is
is
no high
no high
impact
impact
news
news
as
as
of
of
now
now
with
with
any
any
pairs
pairs
jumping
jumping
into
into
the
the chart.
charts. So
So
here
here
I'm
I'm
using
using
our
our
LiveX
LiveX
Capital
Capital
account.
account.
So
So
yeah,
yeah,
I'll
I'll
start
start
with
with
the
the analysis.
analysis. So
So
as you
as you
people
people
like
like
to
to
trade
trade
on
on
gold
gold
always,
always,
I'll
I'll
first
first
analyze
analyze
the
the
gold
gold
chart.
chart.
So
So
weekly
weekly
time
time
frame
frame
bias.
bias.
So
So
people
people
just
just
watch
watch
my
my
previous
previous
recording.
recording.
That
That
is
is
on
on
July
July
15th.
15th.
I've
I've
already
already
taught
taught
my
my
strategy,
strategy,
my
my
setup
setup
actually.
actually.
So
So
please
please
watch
watch
that
that
recording
recording
so
so
that
that
you'll
you'll
get
get
an
an
idea
idea
about
about
what
what
I'll
I'll
be
be
doing.
doing.
So
So
I'll
I'll
be
be
targeting
targeting
this
this
swing
swing
right
right
there.
there.
So
So
I'll
I'll
be
be
targeting
targeting
this
this
swing,
swing,
this
this
swing
swing
guy
guy
in
in
the
the
weekly
weekly
time
time
frame
frame
bias.
bias.
So
So
we
we
can
can
see
see
a
a
good
good
bullish
bullish
candle
candle
over
over
here.
here.
So
So
the
the
momentum
momentum
is
is
also
also
bullish.
bullish.
So
So
I
I
hope
hope
market
market
takes
takes
this
this
swing
swing
guy
guy
at
at
least.
least.
So
So
from
from
here
here,
my
my
bias
bias
will
will
be
be
purely
purely
bullish.
bullish.
From
From
here
here,
I'll
I'll
be
be
shifting
shifting
into
into
I'll
I'll
be
be
shifting
shifting
into
into
lower
lower
time
time
frames.
frames.
That
That
so
so
no
no
need
need
of
of
looking
looking
into
into
daily
daily
time
time
frames.
frames.
So
So
directly
directly
jump
jump
into
into
4
4
hour,
hour,
1
1
hour,
hour,
or
or
15
15
minutes
minutes
because
because
we
we
have
have
a
a
clear
clear
picture
picture
that
that
market
market
might
might
go
go
and
and
take
take
this
this
swing
swing
high.
high.
So
So
no
no
need
need
to
to
look
look
into
into
daily
daily
biases,
biases,
daily
daily
bias
bias
and
and
all.
all.
We'll
We'll
just
just
keep
keep
it
it
simple.
simple.
So
So
I'll
I'll
shift
shift
into
into
4
4
hour
hour
time
time.
frame. So
So, guys,
guys, for
for
the
the
new
new
joiners,
joiners,
I'll
I'll
always
always
be
be
looking
looking
into
into
FVG.
FVG.
I'll
I'll
always
always
be
be
looking
looking
into
into
FVG
FVG
in
in
the
the
middle
middle
range
range
time
time
frame,
frame,
like
like
in
in
the
the
4
4
hour,
hour,
1
1
hour
hour,
or
or
15
15
minutes.
minutes. I need a proper FPG. You can also look into order block, but I usually prefer to look into FPG as the key level. So as we know here, there is no any FPG at this level. Yeah, it works, Bharat. I already said you it works. So Mohsin, you can just watch my old recordings. I've explained my entire strategy on July 11th or July 30th. I have forgotten. Within these 2 days, I have got my entire strategy, my setup, what I'll be doing. And you can watch the recording so that you'll get clear picture what I'll be doing in my each session. And on August, and on in August also I taught one strategy that is purely on gold. You can watch that recording also. That also works good actually. So yeah, in the weekly time, in the 4 hour time frame, we need FPG. But as we can see here, there is no any key level. There was an FPG over here. Guys, you could have planned for the trade over this level. So here is a minute FPG for the people who already know about my setup. See, if you had taken the trade over here, it might have hit the target. At least 1:2. This could have been a small FPG. A small FPG, and you can see the penetration over here. This was an FPG. Okay. This was a small FPG. Here you can see a penetration over, actually by 4 hour candle. After the penetration, we got proper a hammer candle, a kind of a hammer candle. You can see a sweep. It took the air and it gave a proper bullish momentum. Uh, like for the people who already know my setup, I would have marked the level of that candle using GAN box. Please change the settings, guys. For the new joiners, I'm telling. My old students already know what I'm doing actually, but for the new joiners, you can just Bharat, you can just go and watch the live session. In the there, you can see a section called live. Once you visit my LiveX Capital channel, you can just go to the section called live. There you can watch the recording. This is my settings, guys. You can just watch it. Okay, or if, the new joiners can also take the screenshot of it. Except that boxes, I mean, except this level, I'll unmark all the other boxes. So yeah, as you people can see over here, as you people can see here, this is 0, this is 0.25, this is 5, and this is 0.75 and 0.1. And I'll always be looking to take the trade over this level, that is 0.25 level. Once market reaches that level, I'll be taking the trade. So if I had planned for the trade over here, I use the GAN box already, and with people who already know my strategy could have taken this trade, planned for this trade. Okay, it gave us 1 is to 1.5, 1.6. Okay, let us consider it as 1.5. It has given 1.5 and took our break even stop loss. You could have moved your stop loss to break even with little profits. So this might have say, yeah, this would have taken the break even stop loss. Break even stop loss with little profits. I would have targeted 1:2, but still we didn't get our market didn't reach our target. Guys, one good thing about this setup is at least you can safeguard your capital with sometimes booking the profit because once this is called candle continuity theory. Once you get a green candle, at least you'll get 1 or 2 green candles in a consecutive way. Like yeah, see here we got a hammer candle. We marked the levels. After that, 1, 2, 3 green candles. By this, you'll be booking little profits at break even once market gives 1:1. So here you at least safeguard your capital most of the time instead of hitting the stop loss. So I always tell you people once market gives 1:1, you move your break stop loss to break even with little profits. Book at least 5 to 8 pips profits. So here it was a break even trade with little profits if you had planned for it. Uh, my old students, like my people who attend my session from past many days. Doesn't this make sense? This is what I've thought, right? Guys, at least attend my session. Though you guys already know about my setup, please attend my session every day so that you can precise your strategy. Like I know you already know your this thing, my setup, what I have already taught everything, and your quick learners, I also know about that. But practice, you have to practice a lot, and you can just attend my session so that you can take more precise or more accurate trades. So that each in each session you will be getting to know what you could have done for that day. So in 4 hours, as of now, we don't have any proper entry or key level. So I'll be shifting into 1 hour time. So guys, one more thing. I already told you people that I'll always be trading uh, with FPG. But that is not the only thing I trade with. I also look for swing lows. That is, see, this can be a proper liquidity zone. It's FPG I target because FPG is one of the major liquidity zones. But that doesn't mean you have to only look for FPG. You can look for any key levels like order block, swing highs and swing lows, or FPGs, or any other kind of key levels. See? I could have planned. If I had looked into chart, what I would have done is this can be a liquidity swing. This was one of the key swing low in 1 hour time frame. My bias was also bullish. As we saw in weekly time frame, we got a sweep and we got a green candle. I would have used the GAN box, marked the level, taken a long position from here. See, this is why I told. At least you can safeguard with your capital with this setup. So it gave us 1:2. Yeah, it easily gave us 1:2. This thing we could have planned. The reason why I tell you people to attend my live session every day is I'll also be showing the chances where you could have taken the trade so that it will help you to trade by your own. Like you can, if you find any opportunity from morning to evening, like this kind of opportunity, you can trade without my support or any other traders related to this. So here you could have planned for the trade 1:2. There you saved your capital. Here it gave us 1:2. So this is why. See, because it took the liquidity over here. Here was the key liquidity zone. See, these were the equal swing lows. Here market came, took the liquidity, gave a good hammer candle, bullish candle. So at 0.25 level, I would have taken the entry 1:2. So this is what I would have done. So guys, for the new joiners or for the people who joined my session recently, that was the last session which I took. I told you guys to attend to watch the recording. The same setup what I'm telling I've taught in the previous session. So how many of you watched the recording? Hello, good evening, Anup. So how many of you watched the recording? If you watch the recording only, you will get clear idea or clear picture on what I'm doing. So here my bias was bullish, so I'll be looking only to take bullish trades. Here in 4 hours we got a hammer candle after the sweep in the FPG. So it was 1:1, it was a break even trade. Here it took the liquidity of this equal swing lows with over here. You people can just see over here. See, this was the low. Here it took the low. Gave a proper bullish candle. I used my GAN box. 0.25 level was the entry point. Here was a stop loss. Yeah, no, actually I'm not at office today. I'm outside. So we are facing some internet connectivity issue. Actually, sorry for that. From tomorrow it will be good. I did watch the recording. Good Balakrishna Shetty. So Balakrishna Shetty, are you understanding what I'm telling because you already watched the recording? I want everyone to be active so that it can also motivate me to speak more. So yeah, this chart we already analyzed. So once I look into 15 minutes time frame as well. 15 minutes. So my bias is bullish way, so I'll only be looking to take a bullish trade. So here what I can do is, if at all, we'll just wait for the candle closure. If we get a proper hammer candle, let it be let it be red or green. If we get a sweep from this level, because this was an FPG in 15 minutes control. This was an FPG, right? And our bias is bullish. People who watch my recording can only understand what I'm telling. This was an FPG. So market has entered. We'll just wait for the candle closure of this 15 minutes time frame. If we get a proper sweep, a proper hammer candle kind of closure, then we are going long on gold. So we'll just wait for this candle closure. So just a second, guys. So it's within 6 minutes. This candle will close. Later from there we can plan to go long. So by that, like one more thing I wanted to say. If you want good win rate, high accuracy trades, then it's always better to take trades on 1 hour candle and 4 hour candle rather than 15 minutes. 15 minutes is just for scalping, but that doesn't make sense. If you are trading with funded accounts like that, I mean the LiveX Capital account, one good trade is more than enough. No need of trading. You don't need of taking trades every day, every time. So if you get a proper chance in 1 hour time frame or 4 hour time frame, a proper sweep, a proper hammer candle, then take the trades on 1 hour or 4 hour time frame. This thing 15 minutes. Usually even I won't trade on 15 minutes because we won't get many times during the live session in 4 hour 1 hour. I'll be looking into 15 minutes time frame as well. But I always suggest to people to take trades only on 1 hour and 4 hour time frames. So Balakrishna Shetty, CIST is not required with this setup, this strategy, but still I'll teach you. Like if I find any CIST over the chat, then I'll teach you what it is. So we'll just wait. We just want this candle closure, but I always tell you, as I already said, 15 minutes time frame entries are is having less win rates or less probability or less win rate compared to 1 hour of 15 minutes. Doesn't mean you can't trade or you shouldn't trade in 15 minutes, but still, I always prefer to take trades on. Uh, I always prefer to take trades on 15 minutes time. For 1 hour or 4 hour time frame. So guys, I already, I like in the starting, not many people had joined, but I already wished Happy Gauri Ganesha, and again I'm wishing Happy Gauri Ganesha festival to everyone. So, hope from from here onwards, with the blessings of Lord Ganesha, you people learn trading very well and start making some profits. And I know many people want to become full-time traders. So let hope Ganesha's blessings. You guys have Ganesha's blessing and Gauri Ganesha's blessing, and you people do well with your trading journey from here onwards. So here Anup is telling per the CIC strategy, you explained that one on gold in the morning. It never really forms. I've been looking for it for 2 weeks now. So Anup, what if I find any CIC kind of setup in the back testing? Yeah, today even I was looking for opportunity. Today we didn't get any opportunity. My trade was SL actually. I took two trades in the morning, but both the trades were SL. But that doesn't mean it doesn't work or you don't get that kind of setup. I got the setup from last like within this week. I got that setup two or twice or thrice actually. Wait, I'll just show you. Today it was an SL actually. Today I got the setup, but it was an SL. But still, I'll show you. I didn't get you, Prasad. What do you do? Okay, you're my other account. I have logged in with. Okay, just a minute, guys. I'll show the power setup which I've already thought it is. Yes, I'll just just a second. I'll show you. Okay. This is especially for Anup actually because he is telling he didn't find the setup. Guys, please let me know if my phone screen is visible. So today, see these are the levels I had marked actually, and yeah. So this thing I have deleted actually. But today both the trades were SL, which I took. The setup which I had thought. I got two opportunity, but both were SLs. But still, see, third, okay, yeah. I think I can't zoom this, but still, okay, I can't access this. I can't zoom. But still, this was on. Uh, this was on 25th August. So today is 27th. So first trade was SL. It was 1 is to yeah. First trade was SL, but again I got opportunity, so it was 1 is to 3. I booked the profits 1 is to 3, and before as well somewhere here. 2 days continuously it has hit my target. Okay, maybe I've deleted. I've deleted the. I've deleted maybe. But 2 days continuously it took my target. One SL. 2 days first day. I mean from my past five trades. Uh, one, two were targets. Two trades I booked 1 is to 3. One trade was yes. Yeah. Before this also, I booked 1 is to 3. Second trade was this one. First, I think you guys can see. I don't know whether you can see or not. First trade it was SL. I mean, first trade it was 1 is to 3. Second trade it was SL. 24th I am talking about. 24th I got 1 is to 3. Second, 25th, first trade was SL. Second trade again I got 1 is to 3. And here, this was some other setup actually. This was other setup. Okay. Here again I booked 1 is to 2.5. I have marked 1 is to 285, but I booked 1 is to 2.5. This is my personal trade and my personal trading view I am showing actually. This was on 26th yesterday. I booked 1 is to 2.5. So, uh, one, three targets, one SL. And again today, two trades I took and both were SL. But still, I'm in profits. It rarely happens actually. This trade, at least for the day, one trade if it take the stop loss also, the second trade it will hit the target. But today, I don't know. At the end of the day, it is it is market actually. We can't predict what happens. But still, today at the end of the day, I was in profits from past 4 or 5 days. I showed my personal trading view. I didn't do any I didn't even know that I'll be showing this thing, but still. So Anup, now did you find like you said from past 2 weeks uh, you didn't get any trades, but still I showed you. We got, but the thing is, you have to watch the recordings again and again so that you'll have proper clarity on it. And before that, back test at least for 3 months. Still I'm back testing. See, this is my back testing. This thing. My I'll be back testing with Gradle. This is also the same setup I was back testing. Though I have proper hold on it, still I'll be back testing because that is in the free time. That is what I'll be doing. I'll be back testing my other strategies as well. No, no, it is very simple. The strategy is very simple. The thing is, you don't have proper hold on it. You have to wait. Like the thing is, you shouldn't chase behind it. You have to wait for the right opportunity. I showed you right in front of the in the live session itself, like what I did, how many trades I got from past few days. So CAD means a A shape or V shape reversal, right? So I didn't get it. And 1/24th, I also not found a good CIST. It's not like good CIST or bad CIST. CIST is CIST. The thing is, you have to back test on it. That is what you are lacking with. You have to back test as many times you can. That is the only when you'll get a proper hold on it. So yeah, in gold, we'll look for an opportunity. Yes, though we got a hammer candle from this XPG, still I'm waiting for a zero point 0.5. It should come up again, retrace back to 0.5 level, 2.5 levels. So yeah, here there is no opportunity. So I'll be looking into other pairs as well. We'll look into Euro USD. Euro USD also. First we have to look into weekly time frame buyers. So as we can see here, there was a lot of consolidation. Lot of consolidation. So we don't have proper view or proper picture on Euro USD. Look into yeah, 1 year it's consolidation from past many days. Market is not giving a good directional move. So
there
there
is
is
no
no
proper
proper
bias,
bias,
guys.
guys.
At
At
least
least
we
we
need
need
proper
proper
bias
bias
in
in
weekly
weekly
time
time
frame
frame
or
or
daily
daily
time
time
frame.
frame.
Without
Without
getting a
getting a
proper
proper
bias,
bias,
we are
we are
not
not
looking
looking
for
for
any
any
opportunity.
opportunity, any trade actually.
So
So
yeah,
yeah,
we'll
we'll
skip
skip
you
you
guys.
guys.
Guys,
It's
just
just
texting
texting
the
the
chat
chat
box
box
from
from
which
which
pair
where
shall I
shall I
analyze
analyze
next.
next. So know the creators. Know the creators.
Can
Can
you
you
just
just
mention
mention
your
your
name
name
as
as
well?
well?
In
In
how
how
many
many
months
months
you
you
became
became
a
a
profitable
profitable
trader?
trader?
So
So
it's
it's
not
not
about
about
months.
months.
Actually,
Actually,
it
it
at
at
least
least
took
took
me
me
some
some 1 year.
1 year. Yeah,
Yeah,
at
at
least
least
it
it
took
took
me
me
one
one
year
year
to
to
have
have
a
a
proper
proper
hold on
hold
the
on the
market
market
and
and
start
start
making
making
the
the
profit.
profit.
Till
Till
then,
then,
even
even
I
I
was
was
struggling a
struggling a
lot.
lot.
And
And
one
one
more
more
bad
bad
thing
thing
is
is,
at
at
that
that
time
time
when
when
I
I
started
started
learning,
learning,
I
I
didn't
didn't
have
have
any
any
proper
proper
mindset.
mindset.
Like
Like
I
I
used to
used to
watch
watch
all
all
the
the
YouTube
YouTube
videos.
videos.
I
I
learned
learned
different
different
strategies,
strategies,
and I
and I
kept
kept
on
on
changing my
changing my
strategies.
strategies.
So
So
yeah,
yeah,
and
and
I
this
this strategy
strategy
which
which
I'm
I'm
teaching
teaching
right
right
now,
now,
or
or
with
with
which
which
I'm
I'm
doing
doing
right
right
now,
now,
uh,
made
made me
me
feel
feel
little
little
easier
easier
actually.
actually.
And
And
more
more
than
than
this
this
setup,
setup,
even
even
this,
this,
if I
if I
get
get
proper
proper
hammer,
hammer,
I
I
mean,
mean,
if I
if I
get
get
100%
100%
what
what
I
I
want,
want,
the
the
100%
100%
price
price
action
action
what
what
I
I
want,
want,
then
then
only
only
I'll
I'll
be
be
taking
taking
the
the
trade
trade
with
with
this
this
strategy,
strategy,
or
or
else
else
I'll
I'll
be
be
only
only
taking
taking
trades
trades
on
on
gold,
gold,
which
which
I've
I've
already
already
taught
taught
you,
you,
which
which
I've
I have
showed
showed
you
you also
as
as
well
well,
from
from
my
my
phone.
phone.
Yeah,
Yeah,
session.
Shashank.
So
So
I
I
usually
usually
stick
stick
on
on
to a
to a
single
single
strategy,
strategy,
a
a
single
single
setup,
setup,
and
and
I
I
will
will
always be
always be
trading
trading
with
with
the
the
same
same
thing.
thing.
I
I
showed
showed
you
you,
in
in
the
the
gold
gold,
where
where
I
I
found
found
two
two
opportunity.
opportunity.
One
One
in
in
1 hour
1 hour
time
time
frame,
frame,
one
one
in
in
4 hour
4 hour
time
time
frame.
frame.
If
If
I
I
get
get
that
that
kind
kind
of
of
proper
proper
opportunity,
opportunity,
then
then
only
only
I'll
I'll
be
be
taking
taking
the
the
trade.
trade.
Or
Or
else
else,
randomly I
randomly I
won't
won't
take
take
any
any
trades.
trades.
But
But
every day
every
I
day I
look
look
for
for
opportunity
opportunity
in
in
gold.
gold.
That
That
is
is
in
in
the
the
morning
morning
time,
time,
which
which
I've
I've
already
already
thought.
thought.
That
That
is
is
giving
giving
good
good
result
result
actually.
actually.
Okay,
Here,
Mohsen
Mohsen
is
is
selling
selling
gold
gold
mitigated
mitigated
0.25.
0.25.
Just
Just
a
a
second.
second. It's still not working. Sorry guys, I don't know why my screen. I'm tapping, but still it's not working. I don't know. There is
Okay.
okay.
There
There
is
is
no
no
internet
internet
connection.
connection.
Guys,
Guys,
is
is
my
my
voice
voice
audible
audible
and
and
is
is
my
my
screen
screen
visible?
visible?
Please
Please
let
let
me
me
know.
know.
There
There
is
is
some
some
internet
internet
connection
connection
issue
issue
actually.
actually.
Happy
Happy
Ganesh
Ganesh
Chaturthi,
Chaturthi,
Anup.
Anup.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much.
much.
I
I
don't know,
don't know,
my
my
screen is
screen is
not
not
working,
working,
guys.
guys.
I'm
I'm
tapping
tapping
on
on
this,
this,
but
but
still.
still.
Guys,
Guys,
please
please
let
let
me
me
know
know
if
if
my
my
voice
voice
is
is
audible
audible
because
because
I
I
think
think
there
there
is
is
some
some
issue
issue
with
with
the
the
internet.
internet.